In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, this time to select Font over here. Finally, operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and check out Preview at the top. When you're ready, hit Apply at the bottom to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!